How to delete all your YouTube downloads at once. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all your downloads on YouTube in one click. First thing, go to YouTube. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and now it will take you to this page. Go down and click on settings. Now here you will find many options, but you have to choose the downloads option. And here is on this page you will find the option of delete all downloads. Click on it and you will be able to delete all downloaded videos and playlists. Click delete. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.